Growing a diverse neurology workforce is a key component of the AAN strategic plan over the next 5 years, and the AAN Spanish language work group is helping with that mission. Dr. Gloria Simms and Dr. Susana Bowling are here in studio, and we're going to break down exactly how. And Dr. Bowling, I'd love to start with you. Now, for those unfamiliar with AAN Spanish language workforce, tell me more about it.
Well, you said it yourself, it's diversity, right? Back in 2018, the American Academy thought of creation of this Spanish offering. That means having a series of lectures in Spanish to be able to engage more and provide more opportunity for the large number of members in the Academy that are primarily Spanish speaking. And so started back then, Dr. Marino took the first steps to make it happen. And now I would say 6 years later, actually 7 years later, is becoming a common and yearly repetitive offering that is being highly supported and applauded.
Dr. Simms, what would you say is the overall goal?
The overall goal is to make us part of one big group where the Spanish-speaking professionals can come, listen to the lectures in their own language, but even better, be part of the speaker panel that we have. So we don't only offer these talks, so we deliver the message in a way that is easier to understand, easier to digest, but we also invite some of our main speakers from the Spanish-speaking countries to be part of the group. So not only us that live in the United States, but some of the ones that live in Latin America and Europe also participate as speakers.
Those are wonderful benefits, but what are some other offerings of it?
Well, I have to say that just the fact that it's a win-win situation, because now you have access to an extraordinary number of speakers that before couldn't come because they don't master the English language. So we get to have access to their brains too by hearing from these extraordinary physicians. And so that's one thing that is a win. Another win is the ability for us to interact and to create networks that then facilitates things like educations and the research, the continuous vision of growth of our field that is no longer limited by geography. So,
and Dr. Simms, what are some other offerings, and where do you see it evolving from here?
The main thing that we are doing right now is every year we switch and we rotate the lectures. So the topics are always what is the highest scientific progress, and we sometimes screen the interest of those other Spanish-speaking colleagues that are coming to the meeting. Offering, we have the education, we have the interaction, we have the networking, collaborative opportunities. Sometimes the meeting serves as a platform for mentoring, for coaching, for invitation to other academic institutions or other academic opportunities, and for us to just make all the Spanish-speaking population be an active part of the American Academy of Neurology.
Like you already said, it's an amazing platform and good offering.
And as far as where it's going, if I may add, the sky is the limit right now, because when we started this, no one would have thought that we could speak any language right now and it could be automatically translated. So the presence of large language models and artificial intelligence, I think, is going to allow for this model to even be replicated in not just Spanish, but in anything. So where a physician can present a lecture in their mother language and everybody can hear it in their own mother language. So that's going to be something that I think we will see in the near future.
Well, it's exciting because AI is really connecting people through all languages.
Mm-hmm. The idea is to just deconstruct all these things that limit us and separate us, bring us together, and make this knowledge to be available in the most comfortable way for everyone.
Great. Thank you, ladies.
Okay, thank you for the invitation.
Thank you.